Gwylwyr, dyma Rodri Gwylwyr. Ti'n boi lwcus nath ennill cystadleuaeth yn ei enw fel Kogan.
Ie.
Ti'n edrych mlaen?
Ydw.
This is Rodri. This is my #1 Hulkamaniac, man, who was lucky enough to win the competition.
What's the question you want to ask, Rod? Ask him.
What are you going to do against Money Inc. in WrestleMania 9?
Money Inc. What are we going to do against Money Inc.? Well, I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to pin them right in the middle of the ring, and I think that Brutus the Barber Beefcake and Hulk Hogan, managed by Jimmy Hart, will be the new WWF Tag Team Champions. What do you think about that? Is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Beth wyt ti'n meddwl amdano fe? Di'n fachan neis neu fachan cas?
Nice.
Neis.